Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and host another streamer on Twitch? This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. This is going to be the simplest tutorial you'll ever watch. First things first, go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead into your Twitch. I'm assuming that you're already streaming on Twitch in order for you to go ahead and host someone at the end of your stream. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this profile icon, click on create a dashboard, and once you're here, simply go ahead and click on stream manager. When you're actually streaming, it's going to show it right over here. Your chat's going to be right over here, and all your activities just going to be all over here, including your session, your viewers, your followers, and your bitrate. Everything's going to be shown just right here. So all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and host someone is simply go ahead into your Twitch first. Go ahead and look for the person that you want to go ahead and host. So for example, let's say I show speed. Right? And all you need to do is just copy this username, right? So just go ahead and remember that with a capital I, capital S, and capital S. So simply go ahead onto your chat and write /host I show speed. And simply go ahead and press enter. So write /host space I show speed, just like that. The username, and click on enter, and that's gonna go ahead and start hosting it or his channel. And in order for you to go ahead and unhost, simply just write /unhost space I show speed, just like that, and it will go ahead and unhost. It's as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.